This is how to reset the service light or the oil change light on an Astra J. So turn the ignition on. And it comes up with change engine oil soon. Okay. Go to the stalk on the left hand side. Click menu until you have this remaining oil life, and this one says 0%, so it needs resetting. All you do, press this button on the stalk and that comes up. Go to the little scroll wheel, flick it up once so that goes on to yes, and then press this button again and it'll change to 100%. So that's the oil light reset. Ignition off, on again, and there we have it.